Okay, so here's the drone. You can see where it got hurt. Right here and right here. It burnt it all the way down to the threads in the motor.
It's a miracle you got it back.
Yeah, I'm pretty thankful. Really appreciative. Yeah, we just happened to luck out there.
Yeah, really look. How high up or how far away were you before you think you lost control? Before you couldn't or before the controller couldn't control it no more, you know what I'm saying?
I lost signal at about a mile out.
That's pretty nice. That's pretty good little distance. That even makes it longer when you go higher up, right?
Yep, it's even further away. I was a little bit higher than the legal limit. Yep.
How high were you about?
Well, you're only legally allowed to fly up to 400 feet in line of sight, which I had both.
Until the wind caught you and probably brought it way up high in the atmosphere. And you know how that wind just carries things. How high do you think that wind brought it up there?
It was drifting quite quick. I got some video of it circling around up there and some pictures, and you can definitely see it's drifting away.
That's pretty cool. That is cool. Are you going to cut them into this too?
Yeah.
Oh, good. That'll make a good video.
Yeah, I think it will. What else do we want to talk about? Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you like the Norm3 show.
Yeah, the Norm3 show is all right.
Yeah.
Hit that subscribe button underneath there. Give us a like if you want, you know.
Yeah, you want to be informed of the latest drama.
I don't want to control you or anything, so just do it if you want to. Don't feel compelled to because I told you to. I want you to want that stuff before you do it. We cool like that around here.
Yep, be subscribed to the latest drama. I'm sorry I was gone for 4 months. Well, I just kind of had to take a break for a while. You know, things got a little stressful. Eventually, hopefully, after months of saying the same thing over and over again, hopefully now people will understand. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you like the Norm3 show.